my HVAC experience. So in the last 10 years, I've been doing this for about over a decade. I've been taking people from here, from this, no heat, no hot water, not working, rain, sad. Once it's fixed, I take them to that. Happy, I have heat, I have hot water, and it's working. So the key to a good HVAC experience is taking people from this, sad, no heat, no hot water, not working, to that. Happy, I have heat, I have hot water, working. The quicker you can take them from here and bring them here, that's the value exchange. Happy HVACing.